वेजिटेरियन हो, दुबई जा रहे हो, लोकल फूड एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो तो दिस इज द वीडियो फॉर यू माय फ्रेंड्स. Hello people, this is me Pragya Sharma exploring one at a time, and I am here to share my Dubai food experience, which will include some rich Middle East sweets like kunafa, baklava, lukemat, Arabic veg food, Abu Dhabi ka samosa, falafel, hummus, Japanese food, noodles and more. Pick food of your choice and save it for your visit. Watch this video till the end. काफ़ी yummy, satisfying and interesting होगा with lots of information like always. And now rock and roll. Spot 1. When I was at Gold Souk, Old Dubai, I randomly went to this cafe called Al Kaf, where I ordered the best-selling item in vegetarian falafel wrap. It was my first time eating falafel wrap. I was eagerly waiting for my order to try, and also I was super hungry. I liked the place, the street was silent, people were passing by, the air was good, and finally, in 5 to 10 minutes, my food order was ready. It looked yummy and filling. I quickly tasted it and oh my. I think this is one of the best wraps I have ever had. Just like the way I wanted, ऊपर से crispy with good quality falafel patty, subtle थी in taste. Maybe मेरा first time था तो थोड़ा strange taste लगा मुझे chickpea balls का, but yeah, healthy, filling and good protein meal था. I guess it cost me around 5 to 6 dirhams. So when in Dubai, do try falafel wrap यहाँ से और कहीं से भी कुछ भी चलेगा. Spot 2. Abu's Cafe, where I tried Szechuan egg noodles. Finding out vegetarian food is a little task in Dubai, but do not worry. अपने Indian भाई लोग काफ़ी हैं यहाँ पे to serve you as per your taste. I found this cafe very cute, छोटा सा था. I walked in and decided to have dinner there. The cafe offers a variety of food and beverages like Chinese and Indian sandwiches, burgers, salads, breakfast, special sides and juices. I ordered Szechuan egg noodles, which cost me around 17 dirhams. I have never seen this type of egg noodle serving. Usually मुझे chopped eggs मिलते हैं, but look at this bowl. Noodles अलग थे, which was topped with both sides fried egg on it. Good in quantity and taste, it was fine. I mean, okay था. Maybe I'm used to eating more powered Szechuan taste, so मुझे कम लगा Szechuan का taste and थोड़ा salt add करवाया. If you are in JBR1 area and looking for a pocket-friendly cafe, then you can try this one. Spot 3. Samosa in Abu Dhabi. अभी ये food item तो काफ़ी ordinary है, but I know अपनी country के बाहर खाया वो भी पाकिस्तानी handmade समोसा, उसकी vibe ही change हो गई थी. And actually में it was really good in taste. Just in 2 dirhams, I had aloo samosa at Avi's Cafe, which is opposite to the Abu Dhabi bus terminal in Abu Dhabi. They have other snack items like wraps, burger, fries, shawarma and juices. If you are around outside the bus terminal and looking for a quick bite, then you can try this cafe. Spot 4. Food at Noble Desert Camp. Here everything was cooked by local. There was Arabic bread, many veg curries, noodles, different types of veg biryanis, falafel snacks and some authentic sweets like lukemat, and something else was there, उसका नाम मुझे समझा नहीं. I did not like the Arabic bread, थोड़ा sweet tone में था. बाकी curries and rice were okay. The best 3 items which I liked were first lukemat, which was round ball dipped in sweet syrup. Oh, it was an absolute yum. काफ़ी balls खाए मैंने. Second was falafel. The quality and quantity was nice. Taste भी बहुत अच्छा था. And the third one was another sweet. I don't know what was the name. It was creamy white, थोड़ा रबड़ी type लगी मुझे, but it was really good. Because of the background noise, मुझे नाम समझा नहीं. Spot 5. Ichikura, which serves authentic Japanese food. The food shop was situated in the IBN or Ibn Battuta Mall. I looked for the food here and there and decided to try some rice here. They offer many food items like sushi, bento, dim sum, ramen, grills, donburi, etc. with veg and non-veg options both. I ordered Chinese garlic Szechuan rice, which cost me around 22 dirhams. I was impressed by the serving. The bowl was big and sufficient for a single person. They served the rice with soy sauce and some water with some chilies added to it. I guess वो vinegar था. Taste में काफ़ी tangy सा था. I don't know what was that. Anyway, I like the taste. I was happy with my pick and enjoyed a lot. When you are in Ibn Battuta or IBN Battuta Metro Mall and craving for some Japanese Asian food, then do try Ichikura. Spot 6, Pizza Hut. I don't know, out of nowhere, one day at JBR Walk, I was badly craving for thin, spicy, crispy pizza. And when I saw Pizza Hut, I was like, let's go for it. Trusted brand hai, to chalte hain. I tried my best single cheese margherita pizza. One different question the order taker asked me, do you want spicy chilies in the pizza or serve separate? I told them to add it in the pizza, and I thought that she was talking about adding chili flakes to the pizza to make it spicy. When I got my pizza, I saw that they have added green chilies in it, for which I paid 2 to 3 dirhams unknowingly. I was like, ये क्या हो गया? अभी हुआ तो हुआ. It's okay. Let's kill my craving, and pizza that day tasted really good. Chili से अच्छा तो लग रहा था, but 2-3 dirham extra pay करना wasn't that worth. Of course, compared to the outlets in India, there was a difference in the quality and quantity of the food, material, serving style and taste. Everything was good except for the price. I guess a little too much, somewhere around 31 to 32 dirhams for a regular single cheese margherita pizza. Spot 7, Al Baik. A popular brand in Middle East serving varieties of fast food items, say sandwich, burgers, fries, falafel, hummus, etc. I ordered a combo of hummus bun with falafel snacks, which cost me around 8 dirhams. The staff was humble, the order queue moment was quick and easy. You get your food parcel or you can have it there. I enjoyed my chotu sa meal. Middle East ka hummus to try karna hi tha. Hummus is a kind of Middle East dip which is typically made of chickpea blend, tahini, garlic, lemon and olives etc. 3 to 4 bites तक तो अच्छा लगा था, but after that वो tangy flavor थोड़ा overpowering कर रहा था. So it was like okay for me. Falafel snack was really good. अंदर से soft, बाहर से crispy. I really liked it. I had falafel many times in Dubai. My best was this one, then the one which I had at the Desert Safari Camp. Spot 8, Hafiz Mustafa outlet in Dubai Mall, where I had for the very first time authentic kunafa and baklava. There were no expectations of taste and appearance and no judgment at all here, because first time hai, so taste ka standard kuch tha nahi mere liye. All I can say that what I had was really good and rich in quality. I had a really hard time that day. My skydiving got cancelled and I did not get a chance to go to the top of Burj Khalifa, so I decided to treat myself with some rich quality desserts. So I went to Hafiz Mustafa, which is famous for Turkish sweets since 1864. Kunafa and baklava comes in many flavors and I picked the authentic flavor. First, about a slice of pistachio baklava. The appearance was very beautiful. The slice was shredded with pistachios and served with some creamy dip. Oh, it was yum. The dessert was rich in quality, filled with dry fruits, balanced sweetness. For me, it was an absolute yum. Second dessert is kunafa. I liked the serving style. It was fancy for me and it felt like an actual rich treat to myself. Kunafa was like a crispy cheese pie which was served with sweet syrup and pistachios. How do you eat kunafa? You add the sugar syrup on top of the kunafa pie because वो बिल्कुल sweet नहीं होता. Oh, I took a bite. Oh my god, it was cheesy, crispy and sweet balanced. Again, this was my absolute yum. Both dessert cost me somewhere around 110 to 120 dirhams, which was completely out of my budget standard, but as I mentioned before, it was a treat to myself and I was satisfied with my spend. Because the quantity was too much for me, तो मैंने अपने लिए parcel करवा लिया था. These items will be okay for 5 to 6 days at a cool room temperature. Check out their updated rates on their website, link in the bio. And that is it about my food experience in Dubai. Some learnings from my experience for you are: first, if you are looking for pocket-friendly food in Dubai, go to the food courts in the mall. You will find many options within your budget. Number 2, don't look for the best or top places where you can eat the famous Middle Eastern dishes. I believe in most of the places you will have a good experience. Number 3, most of the authentic UAE food items are non-vegetarian, yes. But to all the vegetarians out there like me, UAE will have food items for you as well. What's more do you want to know? Do write in the comment section. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write in the comment box. I will be happy to see and reply back. Or you can reach out to me on my Instagram and Facebook handle. It's called Khao Local Ghumo Global. One final video will come on Dubai, which will be more about stay in Dubai, mainly focusing on the hostels in Dubai. So stay tuned with this channel. This is me, Pragya Sharma, exploring one at a time, signing off. See me in my next release. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.